Hey guys, it's your girl Lola here, AE29 DIY. I hope you are good. So today we are going to be doing a DIY on how to make your own thread holder. So these are the tools that we're going to need. It's nails, threads that we're going to use to measure, pencil, hammer, and a piece of wood. So let's get into the video. Okay, so we're going to have to do some markings first. It doesn't really matter how long or wide your piece of wood is, that's down to you. But the main thing I would say is to make sure that it is deep enough for your nails to go through. So mine is about 1 inch, so I would say nothing less than 1 inch to make it work. So the first thing we're going to do is make some markings. As you can see, I've already started here. I wasn't actually going to film this, but I thought this would be a great DIY for all my crafty friends. So I'm going to be using my threads to get on with the markings. I want to put overlock threads on here. I'm going to be marking 4 since it is 4 threads that I normally use on my sewing machine. And then I will use the other thread to do the rest of the markings. So I finished doing the first few markings. As you can see, these are where my overlock threads will go in these 4 spaces. And then I will be using the other markings for the smaller threads. So guys, let's continue with the marking and I'll see you in a sec. So guys, we now need to mark where we're going to put the nails in. So just use your thread and place it over the square, and then just try to use your pencil to mark the center of where you want to put the nail. Also guys, when choosing your nails, try to choose nails that will allow your thread to go on easily. So in my case, mine were about 3 inches. And as you can see, the thread slides on nice and easy. Guys, this is the fun part now. Let's get into the banging. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the DIY just as much as I did. I think this is fantastic. I am so in love and love how it came out. And I think this will do for a nice gift to anyone that does any sewing or any kind of crafts, as I said before. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Ciao.